Hey, what's up, Digibyte holder? So it's a very great news for all Digibyte holder because in the last 24 hours, my friends, Digibyte will change occur massive jump occur, my friends, from last 24 hours. So therefore, my brother, I'm so happy, I'm so excited to see this great change, and it's a very good news for all Digibyte holder. Try to understand what I talk to you in this video. It's going to be very special for all you and very branded video because I predicate this one and I do technical analysis and I also share my opinion, my brother. So kindly like this video, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So my brother, last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely show you to the last 24 hours they will change occur will be positive now, and 6.32% the price is increased now from last 24 hours. So it's a really great news for all of you. They will wake up, my brother. After you can see, my brother, the price this time 0.05 USD dollar, and the price is continuously increasing from last 24 hours. So I'm so happy to I see this chart, my brother. You know what's the main reason to this coin will wake up? The main reason is that to holder or hold it, they stop selling, so therefore this coin is wake up. And exactly, my friend, after mid of this month, I already tell you in my previous video, to after the mid of this month every cryptocurrency is moving upward now. So the mid of this month is start now, and I'm 100% sure to Digibyte will completely go in the moon now in this month now, because all cryptocurrencies is wake up in June, my brother. So I'm so happy, I'm so excited to see this. But holders, you need to wait, and absolutely you need to hold and don't sell it, because my brother, if you starting selling, then this coin will completely go in the garbage and they will fail us down. So you need to follow ABS Tech channel, guys, ABS Tech channel, and absolutely when ABS Tech channel will advise you, so you take a very good profit now. Thanks for watching VTT. Digibyte holder, please try to understand to hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the good time. I hope the price will be double now at the end of month.